Here we are demonstrating image to text and text to speech for a blind person's book reading purpose. So the main application of this project is the system will capture the images, and if the particular image consists of any text, it will extract the text from the image. Then that particular extracted text will be speak out through the speakers for the blind person, like book reading purpose. So that will be done with the help of our Raspberry Pi 3 we are using here, and for image capturing, Pi camera. Whenever he or she presses and releases the switch, then the system will capture the image. The next stage is it will convert that to grayscale, and next stage is converting that to the OCR. It's a Tesseract OCR package we are using to extract the text from that grayscale image, and next eSpeak module to read out the particular extracted text. So, and to capture the image and conversion of this grayscaling, we are using the OpenCV. Total 3 major packages in our project we are using. So this is the memory card we have inserted into this. Initially we load the operating system into that, and then we write the instructions to read the input from this button and controlling the output and the speakers. So let us check with demonstration. So keep the text around this much of distance. Okay, so nearby around 7 to 8 inches of distance, and more lighting on the paper, less lighting from the camera side. And right, next, this is the power bank we are using, which is the rechargeable battery. And initially, before demonstration, first of all, keep the battery under charging. So for that, just connect this C type at this one, and the light will be indicated till the last light stops blinking. Keep the battery charging. So totally 4 levels battery indication will be there. And after the battery is fully charged, first of all, on this. Okay, this is the on off switch on this, and connect this at the USB slots. Now you can see the light getting switched on, and now wait till the welcome message will be announced. So once the welcome message announced, then we can press and release the switch. So in this model we have added the feature like once press and release, then the system will announce the capturing image and processing that and extracting the text. Like that, the stage by stage will be announced. So based on the text size,
the smart text book reader.
Right. So based on the text, the time will be taken for extraction. Just press and release that.
Scanning.
Right. So it will capture the images.
Image capture.
Right.
Extracting text.
Right.
Please wait.
So till that we are not supposed to move anything. So once we press that one, it's scanning. So till that we are not supposed to vibrate or move this paper.
B.
Right.
It is so right. In this article, we present a system based on Raspberry Pi or Raspberry and Speak. It takes pictures of text content around its vicinity from the tapped to Raspberry Pi, converts it to speech, and speaks out the text to phone or speaker connected to its audio jack.
Right. Okay. So based on this blurs and like proper printing and no watermark, then you'll get the exactly proper voice announcement from this one. Okay. And of this process is like initially of this and disconnect and keep the charging, and next on this and connect that. So it's a process. Thank you.